This video will show you how to remove the front grille on 2010 to 2018 Ram 2500s.
So to remove our grille, the first thing we need to do is pop out all of the clips for our upper radiator cover. So we'll grab a clip remover tool to pop those out, and then that'll give us access to the 4 10mm bolts that hold our grille into place. So we'll grab a 10mm socket to remove those. So now we'll take our clip remover tool, pop out all of our clips. And then we can remove our upper radiator cover. And then we'll grab our 10mm socket to get our 4 10mm bolts up top. So now with our 4 bolts up top removed, we can pull back on our grille to remove it.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ram, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.